ride. Almost at the club, baby.
What up, there, YouTube? As you can see by the thumbnail title, what we got going on today. Thank you for not watching another video here with me. Why do I look like that? I don't know. Anywho, as you can see, like I said, what we're doing today, we're getting back to it. Another headliner. This one is literally like perfect already, but as you can see, the creases and stuff in it. The tear right here, let me get a little closer on it. That's one tear right there. There's another tear over here, and then there's this one right here. So I'm gonna just redo the whole headliner. I'm gonna try to make sure I do it properly. I didn't want to do it, but I'm gonna try to do something different with this one. How I did the other one. I'm gonna try to heat up certain areas and then try to peel it off like that. See if it works better. I hate dealing with these right here, because I bend them and then I can't get them back properly, so then I end up possibly having to buy a new one, which is not cheap from BMW. Nothing from BMW is cheap. However, we're gonna get to it. It's raining outside. I got my rod wave playing, of course. So let's get to it. Okay, I'll do a little bit of talking before I get into this. Let's see. These are not too easy to bend back, but they can bend back semi-easily. Get them like that, and then pry it back just enough so that I can get my space to drop it down. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get all these out. I'm gonna breeze through this. Probably not film much of it, but you breeze through this. The heat gun doesn't seem like it works too well. It starts to leave the adhesive on the headliner material. So I'm probably just gonna try to rip it back and then do my brushing technique like I did. Like I said, I'm gonna put a link to the other headliner video that I did so you guys can see it, but let's get it! Okay, it wasn't too hard getting these off. I got both of them off now. I don't remember which one goes where. Oh yeah, this one goes in the front, this one goes in the rear. They're actually different, so I should already known that, but I'm tripping. Anyway, so now that I got that off, I'm gonna start, I don't know if you can see it from there, but I'm gonna start peeling this off slowly. Try not to do any more damage to the headliner that's already been done besides these cracks. And then I'm just gonna work my way around. There's some areas that are already peeling too hard, like right by this crack. So I'm gonna make sure I take my time, do this as best as possible, and then afterward I brush off everything, rub it down, and then peel it off, and you know, get ready to prep and drop the new one on. Try to make this as short as possible, because I know people got a low attention span, so let's get to it. Alright, so as you can see, all the corners here, all the edges, you get the edges up first and then you just go around it. Right here, peel that back. Right here, peel the same thing back. And then I'm gonna flip it over and then rub off everything else and then brush it off. Hopefully I'll be done with this soon, so let's go ahead and keep working. Alright, this is coming along, but very slowly. As you can see, I haven't even got the back half done yet. I've been at this for a little while. This is mainly going slower than when I did the E36 and E46. This is going a lot slower because this is only a 2012. So the adhesive is still very much there. So I'm taking a lot of time. I don't know if I'm gonna finish this today, but I'm gonna do as much as possible. Get the edges off. A lot of this is done too, but I got a whole lot more to do, and then I gotta repair it, and then get ready to clean it up and, you know, whatever. So I'm gonna keep working and see what happens. All right, we're back. Almost maybe like an hour later. I don't know how long it's been, but it's been a long time. So what I did was I just cut it, like, as you can see, cut it like in half. So I knocked off the back half. This glue is still would have been fresh for years. I'm talking years, because this stuff is holding on for dear life. But like I said, we're halfway done now, so I'm gonna get back to it. Over there is repair here and there. So I've got fiberglass and some other stuff that I'm gonna use, and hot glue, and we'll see how much I get done with today. All right, you guys see it? It's all done. All the material is off of it. I'm not gonna show this portion of rubbing it down and trying to get as much of this material that's still stuck on with the glue. I'm not gonna do all that, but I'm gonna rub it down now, try to clean it off like I said, and then I'll repair the areas on that side, because that's the passenger side where the airbag blew out of. So I'll repair all that first, and then I will attempt to get this done. Maybe tomorrow I'll finish it, but I'm definitely not finishing this today. So let me get down to rubbing it off. What's going on YouTube? We're back. Also with the same headline and stuff. As you can see, I got it all cleaned up. Started this on, I think, Sunday. It's Tuesday now. But like, I didn't do it in the other video. I used a different brush. But this right here, power tools are your best friend. Power tools are your best friend. I use this. This is like a nylon brush. I don't remember what grit this was. Let me see if I throw it away. In here, somewhere. There's razors in here. Let me not cut myself. This brush was 120 grit. So 120 grit is what I got. Let me show you guys what it is. This right here. I don't know if you can really see it. Whatever. But yeah, the orange one. I got the 120 grit. And then I also got the 240 or whatever. But I used that nylon brush to rub it down. It worked well. I got almost everything off of it. As you can see, let me get a little closer. You can see little bits here and there, but as far as the material, it's like mostly all gone. So I'll probably rub off a few little areas like here. You can still see some in there, but it's whatever. I'll get rid of that stuff. But okay, I got my plastic laid out on the floor because that adhesive is gonna go everywhere. Actually, I should be shaking it right now while I'm filming this. But yeah, so I've got my 3M headliner adhesive. Dry time is 60 minutes or whatever. I'll be done by that time. But I've got some cardboard down so it doesn't stick on my table too much. I'll make sure to move these wires out the way continuously while I'm spraying. Adhesive is gonna fall out of here. It's gonna go back there, it's gonna go back there, so that's why I got to close down. I had to close the door, so it's hot as hell in here because of the wind, but we're gonna go ahead and get the spray on, get the material on, which is over there, and then I'll just try to knock this out as quick as possible. I really wanna get this done. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, we're done. I put the metal piece back in. As you can see, there's some areas that look a little weird, but I'm fed up with this. I'm not gonna show the corner up there, really, because I messed up on that corner really bad. So, I'm still gonna put it in, because I'm just ready to actually get this car moving, and then later on I can deal with whatever else was messed up. Gonna use some tape to remove this little bit of adhesive that's stuck on here, just peel it up, whatever. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Alright, that's gonna be the end of this video. This has been a long process, longer than it should have been. Lots of mistakes were made because I'm just frustrated at this point. Like, it's just whatever. But that's gonna be the end of this video. There will be more videos to come once I get this car finally rolling out of this garage. If you haven't already done so, please be sure to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn on notifications, and hit that share button. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!